Alright. Pavo Pico on Occusync. Starting with 8.2.
Alright, hope everyone had a good Christmas and all. This is my Maiden Pavo Pico. I have a few of these I'm building to sell. This particular one is just a plug and play version of the DJI Occusync radio. My ELRS transmitter, BetaFPV, has been kind enough to hook me up with is the Gemini. I'm just super excited to have something at least 3.x and newer, because I have a BetaFPV 1 watt transmitter that I haven't been able to successfully update from 2.5 to 3.0 without it saying not enough space. Tried the repartitioner and that just does not work. Yeah, it says failure after, so that's that. Alright, but back to who is this for. This is the Pavo Pico, and I think this is for, honestly, anyone that can just kind of fly without needing to rip. Like, don't have this as your only drone, I'd say, because you're gonna want to fly hard. Anyone that wants just to do cinematography or get something cinematic, or even just like go for some chill flights around your place and you have a little bit extra money, like, it's just a really nice little platform, and it's for someone that does not want to build. Definitely that. If you don't want to build shit, get this drone. Like, you can do the whole thing. And if you don't, if you just would like to get it built for you, or get a real drone like built for you, let me know. DM me. If not, you guys have a good holiday. Have a good, safe, happy flying. If you guys have made it this far, I would sure love a like, thumbs up, tell your mom, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks. Bye.